Good morning, one and all for the class. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 8, Cropping an Image. The crop tool is used to remove unwanted areas of an image. The steps to crop an image are: open the image, click on the crop tool in the tools panel. The shape of the mouse pointer changes to the crop tool cursor. Now place the mouse pointer on the image. Click and drag to select the rectangular area that you want to keep. Release the mouse button. The crop marquee appears with handles on the corners and sides. The area you want to retain is highlighted. Double-click inside the marquee to crop away the portion you have not selected. Painting tools. Adobe Photoshop provides us with different painting tools such as brush tool, pencil tool, color replacement tool, history brush tool, gradient tool, paint bucket, etc. We will discuss some of these tools in this chapter. The brush tool works like any ordinary brush and creates a smooth stroke of color. The steps to use the brush tool are: open the image. Use any tool to select the white background. Let us use the magic wand tool here. Click on the brush tool in the tools panel. Click the arrow beside the brush command in the options bar. The brush preset picker appears. Click on a brush style of your choice. Click on Set Foreground Color in the Tools panel. The color picker palette appears. Choose the color you want from the color picker palette and click OK. Click and drag the mouse pointer on the image to draw strokes of the selected color. Note: the brush tool draws only in the selected area. Nothing happens if you drag the mouse pointer over the unselected part of the image. Gradient tool. A gradient is a fill consisting of two or more colors blending together. The gradient tool is used to fill a selected area or an entire layer with a gradient. The steps are: open an image. Click the gradient tool in the tools panel. From the options bar, select a gradient type and linear, radial, angle, reflective and diamond. Click the gradient sample bar in the options bar. The gradient editor dialog box appears. Choose any of the gradients from the presets box or create a new gradient using the drag and release the mouse in the image. The selected area will be filled with the gradient. Photoshop has a collection of drawing tools: rectangle, rounded, rectangle, ellipse, polygon, line, custom shape, etc. To draw a shape, say a rectangle, do the following. Click the rectangle tool in the tools panel. Select the required tool from the list of options. Click on the Set Foreground Color box in the tools panel to get the color picker palette. Choose the required color. Click on Create New Shape Layer in the options bar. You can also click the arrow next to the style and choose a shape style. Drag the mouse with the button pressed to draw the shape. Custom Shape Tool. Using the Custom Shape tool, you can draw shapes other than the basic geometric shapes. This tool has a collection of predefined shapes like flowers, moon, arrows, leaves, etc. to draw a shape with the Custom Shape tool. The steps are: select the Custom Shape tool. Click the arrow beside the shape option in the options bar and select the required option shape. Click and drag the mouse to draw the shape. Transforming objects. You can also scale, rotate, skew, distort, and apply a perspective to an image in Photoshop. You can flip the image horizontally or vertically too. The steps are: select the image or a part of an image you want to transform. Select Edit Transform Scale. Do one of the following according to the options you choose in the Transform menu. Scale. When you position the mouse pointer over a sizing handle, the pointer becomes a double arrow. Drag a sizing handle to change the size. Press the Shift key as you drag a corner handle if you want to scale the image proportionally. Rotate. When you place the mouse pointer over a corner handle, it takes the shape of a curved two-sided arrow. Click and drag the handle to rotate the image. Skew. Drag a side handle to skew the image. Distort. Drag a corner handle to stretch the image. Perspective. Drag a corner handle to apply a perspective to the image. Flip horizontally. Flips the image horizontally. Flip vertical. The flips the image vertically. Press the Enter key to apply the transformation. Thank you.